Every developer using AI coding hits the same wall. You describe what you want. AI fills in the gaps with its own assumptions, and you spend hours fixing decisions you never made. SpecRabbit solves this by letting you draw your architecture instead of describing it. Drop a UI form node for your front-end screen. Add an API endpoint, specify the HTTP method, path, and auth level explicitly. Connect a backend service. Wire it to your database with the exact queries it needs to run. Every node has typed parameters, no guessing, no assumptions, and a description field for behavioral context the AI needs to know. Things like roll back the inventory reservation if payment fails. Connect everything with named flows that define exactly how data moves through your system, from the UI button click all the way to the database and back. When you're done, export as a single JSON or YAML file. Not a screenshot, not prose, raw graph topology the AI reads natively. Built-in instructions tell the AI exactly how to interpret every element. Minimum tokens, maximum precision. Feed it to Cursor, Claude Code, or any AI coding agent as context. It generates code that matches what you designed, not what it guessed. Try it at SpecRabbit.com. Draw once, generate everything.